Puzzles on the table, bright and wide. Tiny hands solving with so much pride. Books stacked high like a paper tower. Reading stories hour by hour. Colors dancing, crayons fly. Shapes and numbers reach the sky. Aku's little wonders. Every day we grow, building dreams together. Watch the magic flow. Laughing, learning, playing, it's a favorite show. Aku's little wonders, oh, we love it so. Blocks go up, a castle in the air. Counting stars, we learn to care. Rhymes that giggle, songs that swing. Every moment a new joy to bring. Paintbrush whispers,